Good day, fans and viewers all over the world. Journey Media 007 brings you great information on how to learn new crafts and to be more informed about the current happenings in the society. As you watch and enjoy our videos, do not forget to like, share, follow, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more informative, entertaining, and educative videos. And also, do not forget to follow us on all our social media handles at Journey Media 007. Thank you.
Okay, so activities measure and take would train and empower you to be your own boss. You can learn to make different things. You make cakes, cookies, chinchin, waffles, anything you can think of that has to do with kitchen, bread, anything at all. You can be your own boss and make money for yourself, whether in a big way or a small way. You can also be in the comfort of your home. I actually started as a home baker, so you can do that at the comfort zone, your own comfort zone. My name is Temi Topo Ajijola for Delicious Meals and Cake, and today we'll be showing you how to make a crunchy, tasty chinchin. Okay, so these are what we need: flour, sieved already, sugar, milk, salt, baking powder, that's our dry ingredients, then eggs, butter, and vanilla flavor. So we're going to start now by adding all the dry ingredients together. As the sugar goes into the flour, you mix. You're still going to mix very well. So this is just adding the sugar, blending the sugar into the flour. Then we add the milk, preferably powdered milk. It could be any brand of your choice. Then the salt and the baking powder. Now you need to put everything together. You can as well use your hand once they are very clean, washed and clean. But for now, we can do with the whisk. Okay, so now you can add your butter. This is well mixed now, but at this point I'm going to introduce one of my students, Funbi. She's going to come in so that she can assist and we'll do this together. So Funbi, come in. Okay, so now we're going to add the eggs into the mixture. And then vanilla flavor. We're going to mix again before adding water to it. So finally off with the water. The water does not have a particular measurement. You don't have to keep adding and mixing until you get the desired consistency for rolling. The dough must not be hard, and it is not a dough that you must really stretch. It's a soft one. So add the water. More. Another one. Okay, so let's work with this first. Although it's going to take more because it's much. Now add. The lighter it is, the crunchier the chinchin. So add. check. Okay. Now we're going to turn it out. You can cut it. Okay, so at this point, you're going to put flour on the work table and add this. It's not a bread dough or a donut dough that you add so much for slow. So it has to be gentle. So I'm going to do this and then do the rest. Yes. Alright, so we're going to knead this more. First we'll have a smooth finish and then roll out and cut. You must always dust your work table with flour so that it does not stick. Okay. Earlier I said you should not over. Now we're rolling out. If you know you can handle so much at a time, you roll out flat and big. If not, cut at every point, just at your convenience. I'm going to cut this into two and just roll and cut one first. Thing. Okay. Just doing this just to be sure that it's not sticking. And then for an equal chinchin, in case I'm not the only one rolling, you can just use this or a chinchin cutter. Can actually cut into any shape you want. Doesn't have to be this. Can be any shape. Can be just long strips. Whatever shape you desire. Don't make sure you're consistent, especially when you're making it for the general public for sale. Okay, so after cutting this is what I do so that it does not stick together. And then you add it to the already cut one. Now you notice that we have like excess flour, which will give us problems when we're frying. But this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to remove the excess flour. Sieve out the excess. Okay, so now we're ready to fry because we have our cut chinchin.
Your oil must be much. It's deep frying, so it must be hot. And then you test to see if it's hot enough. Drop some. If it comes up, we're ready to go. Let me keep my mouth. I'm from this side. Are we ready? Golden brown, and we can take it ready to go. Yeah, we put it inside the sieve to drain the excess oil. So you can see the amount of oil we used. You don't have to mince your oil, or else you end up with the burnt chinchin. Okay, so this is our final product, our crunchy chinchin. A full recipe, you can check our IG page or contact us. Our phone number will be scrolled. Let's take a taste of our chinchin.
Very crunchy and tasty. Hey, thank you.